Hi, in this video I will show you how to connect Google Form to Benchmark using BitFlows. BitFlows is an advanced automation plugin for WordPress. It helps you create complex workflows and integrate various apps seamlessly. I have already installed the BitFlows plugin on our site. Now, go to the Flows page. Click on the Create Flow button. Enter a name for your flow, and then click on the Create button. Now click Select an app, and search Google Form as a trigger. Select on Form Submit. Click on Add Webhook. You can change the webhook name. Save it. Now open your Google Form, and click on the three-dot option, then select App Script. In the App Script editor, paste the code snippet provided by BitFlows to enable form submission triggers. Next, go back to the BitFlows dashboard. Copy the callback URL, and paste it inside the App Script code where required. After that, click on the Deploy button and complete the new deployment process. Select Type. Enter the description name. Click on Deploy. Authorize it. This will authorize the script and allow your Google Form to send data to BitFlows whenever a form is submitted. Now click on Done button. Next, complete the trigger setup process by confirming the event trigger. Click on Add Trigger. Then select Event Type. Save it. Now go to the Google Form dashboard. Publish the form, and copy the form link. Now go to the BitFlows dashboard. Click on Listen Response button. Now go to the Google Form, and submit the form. Submit. Form submit successfully done. Now go to BitFlows dashboard. The form data will be available in captured response. Now close the Trigger tab. Click the plus icon. Then search and select Benchmark. Create contact as an action. Add connection. You can change the connection name. To get the value, go to Benchmark dashboard. Here is your API key. Copy the API key. And paste it here. Connect. Select Contact List. Map the respective field. Close it. Now click Test Flow once. Use existing data. Click on the Log button to view details. In the Log section, you can verify that your form submission response has been successfully captured and recorded. To verify the created gist in Benchmark, go to Benchmark dashboard. Then select Contacts, Lists, and your contact list. You can see data came successfully done. Thanks for watching.